In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to access Gallery app. Then tap on OK after choosing the best option for you, and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now you can just click on all of them or tap on this dot at the top right corner to select all. When you're ready, choose Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!